Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you the facilities at BT1, which is located at city center. I'll show you the quiet room. This is the quiet room 1, which has like 4 high seats. You just need your student ID to access this. We also have a quiet room 2. This is a 3-seater room, so you can just have a meeting or discussions here. This is all in the ground floor. Next is the meeting room. You can use for your meeting, group studies. We also have a projector here. It's an 8-seated room. We also has a luggage room. Just in case if you have a lot of trolleys, luggage, you can just drop it here and it's always safe. So it's marked under your name. So it's very safe to keep here. We also have a waste center. So you get the bin bags and collect them from the receptions throughout your stay here. We also have the community fridge where you can donate food, either cold or dry. This is the laundry room. It has like over 15 washers and dryers that you can use while you stay here. There are also like iron box and stands to just dry your clothes. So this is the donation section where you can donate items that you don't need and but they are in good condition. Next is the common room. This is the most vibrant and the most visited place I feel in the BT1. This has a lot of chairs and the tables where you can sit and have a chat, network, socialize. Also have like sofas, a couple of TVs, video games. We also have a computer room in the common room, which has like over 20 computers you have access to. All the Queen's resources here via the computer. If you don't want to go to the library, you can be here. A water dispenser here, filter. This is a coffee bar which serves coffees and teas. We also have the play area which has pool, table tennis and a little bit of board games for you to enjoy. Next we have the letterbox. So all your letters will be here. Of your full room is given one letterbox. And this is the parcel service area, so all your parcels will be here and you can collect it via just your QR code. And finally the gym at BT1. I hope you consider staying at BT1 and enjoy your stay. Thank you so much for watching.